So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you guys seen this type of error message that ChatGPT is at maximum capacity right now and can't let you use their tool? I'm pretty sure you have seen this type of error message. So what is the solution? How to solve this thing? So don't worry guys, I have the perfect solution for you. So in the way you can bypass this error message and use that tool. So if you want to know how to solve this thing, how to bypass this error message, then watch the video till the end. As I have already bypassed this error message, in the same way you can also bypass it. So without wasting further more time, let's get started. Okay, first come to here Google Chrome and then come here in URL section and type platform.openai.com/playground. So this is the lighter version of ChatGPT and it's come from the OpenAI itself. So this is the playground and you can give your thought over here, like let's say I want a letter, write a letter
to my boss regarding from 25th December to 31st December 2023.
Let's see whether it can write or not. So as you can see, it's efficiently write that letter. Let's try something else.
Write a program, swap two number without using third variable in Java.
Let's see whether it can solve it or not. As you can see, it successfully generated that code for me. And you can do one thing, that you can also get explanation line by line whatever is written over here just by clicking over here drop down menu and come to this explain code. First I just copy the code over here and then explain code and paste it over here. Let's see whether it can explain it or not. So we have two variables a and b. We are printing the value of a and b before swapping. We are adding a and b, storing the result in a, and we are subtracting b from a and storing the result in b, and so on. So you can see that the explanation is also correct. So let's find something else here. In drop down section there are a lot of other options available over here, like you can translate English to other languages. Let's try it out. Translate this to French, Spanish. Let's add one or two more. Japanese, Hindi, Bengali. So let's find out, is it successfully translate into that language or not. And change this thing over here. Let's say good morning and try it out. Bonjour. So it's pretty amazing, you know. You can see that the translation is pretty good, as it's successfully translated in Bengali and Hindi also. So let's find something else. You can also chat with this AI tool, like I'm chatting over here, how to grow my. So you can interact with this AI by this chatting thing. Let's try something, and you can give and you can see more option over here by clicking more examples. So you have a rough idea what this AI can do for you. So it can calculate time complexity, translate programming languages, movie to emoji, and so on. So that's pretty cool, you know. So whenever you get this type of error that ChatGPT is at maximum capacity right now, you can use this playground to solve your queries. So if you like this video, give it a like, and if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will never miss any important update like this in the future videos. So I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.